y'all? We're gonna be grinding with these videos. I'm mostly gonna have a 3-day streak or like a 4-day. I don't know, but please remember I'll put my TikTok down below. Either my username or the link if I could do the link. I'm not gonna put my Instagram because I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to show my face out here. You're gonna open 7 of these mugs right here. Yes, sir. They come up 14 packs. 7, and I'm gonna open these 3 in on TikTok. So make sure to go follow me. My username is down in the description. See y'all, man. All right, let's get started. First one. Okay. Jim Kelly. Danny Cannell. Michael Irvin, Season to Remember card. Rookie class, Kevin Hardy. Leroy Butler, safety. Eric Curry, defensive end. Leslie Sefford, wide receiver. Andre Coleman, special teams. Joey Galloway, wide receiver. Robert Blackman, safety. Nolan Harrison, defensive end. Sean Lee, defensive tackle. Christian Foria, tight end. And for the, instead of an MVP, we actually got a sticker. We got Jesse Sapolu. Yep. Yes, sir. All right. Yep. Second pack. Come on. We doing speed runs. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. Who we got? Britt Favre. 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 Something like that. I don't know. Ray Lewis. Herman Moore, Season to Remember card. Rookie class. Y'all could do that. Chimanga. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. Kimball Anders, running back. Toby Wright, safety. Tim McKeer, cornerback. Let me just move these out the way real quick. Oh, we got Deion Sanders, baby. Cornerback. Let's go. Morton Anderson, kicker. Steve Bono, quarterback. Right? Wait, hold on. No, yeah, quarterback. Bengals, David Dunn, wide receiver. Charles Haley, D-end. Steve Atwater, safety. Gus Ferrerot, quarterback. We back. 2 more cards. Let's do this. Come on. Carl Pickers, MVP cards. Let's go. Rookie class, Barbie Ingram. Warren Moon, Season to Remember card. P.T. Kendall, rookie class. Jeff Legeman, D-end. Duran Bennett, punter. Kevin Carter, defensive end. Special teams, Tyrone Huggs. Reggie White, defensive end. Stan Humphries, quarterback. Orlando Thomas, safety. Cortez Kennedy, D-end. Completely forgot that I had this damn TV on. My bad. Larry Centers, running back. Eric Metcalf sticker, 21. Pretty cool. We got Mike Mula. It's dented right here. That's a dent. Sorry. Terry Allen, running back. Henry Ellard, wide receiver. Hold up. Sorry. Gotta check the cameras. Sorry, guys. The problem is that we actually have cameras because we've been robbed 2 times. They broke into our car, so we kind of take this seriously. So yeah, sorry, guys. Terry Wooden, linebacker. We got You Crashed the Game, November. What's his name? Scott Michael. There he is, brother. Obviously in good shape because he has to be in one, except I'm ready. Ken Harvey, linebacker. Herman Moore, wide receiver. Harold Green, running back. J.J. Stokes. Floyd Turner, wide receiver. Sorry, had to do that one day. Rookie classes, Ricky Dudley, Oakland Raiders, tight end. T-Row Davis, Season to Remember card. Rookie class, Charlie Jones, San Diego Chargers, wide receiver. And for the MVP, we got Larry Centers. There it is. Yeah. Let's get back into the other 2 packs. Let's go. Alright, let's finish these last 3 packs real quick. Okay. Let's go. Excited. We're gonna start with the MVP this time. Brian Michael. Yep. Let me just fix this for you guys. Steffet Williams. Jimmy Harbaugh? I don't know. Dwayne Clemson, Minnesota Vikings defensive end. Emmitt Smith, I actually have another card of that. Dave Krieg, quarterback. Oh, that's his sideways card. Michael Jackson, wide receiver. Michael Jackson used to be. I'm pretty sure it's just another guy. Keen Dilger, tight end. Mark Carrier, safety. What's it called? You crashed the game card, November. What's his name? Jim Kelly. We got a Jim Kelly. Chris Zorich. Got another Jim Kelly. You know what would be good? What's it called? MVP Jim Kelly. That'd be actually kind of cool. Greg Hill, running back. Yes, sir. I know we got a Curtis Martin sticker. Yeah. Guessing those are just cool stickers. Let me just do this real quick. Y'all could skip for a little bit. Skip a little bit until y'all see like the pack. One second. It's not taking that. I'm almost done. Literally, almost done. There, I'm done. There. Go. Damn. Alright, who we got? We got Michael Irvin, MVP card. We got Jerome Cherry, New Orleans Saints safety. We got Steve Bono, NFL record for longest run by a quarterback, season to remember, 1995 through 1996. Rookie class, Reagan Upshaw, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, defensive end. Blaine Bishop, safety. Eugene Robinson, safety. Antonio Freeman, wide receiver. Johnny Michael, tight end. Terrell Davis, running back. David Palmer, special teams. Wayne Martin, defensive end. Mark Chimura, tight end. Brock Morion, safety. Sherman Williams, running back. Bam. We are in the last pack of this video. I have one more video to go. That's it. One more video before I'm done with the whole thing. Next week, you already know I'm back at it. You feel me? Different pack though. Definitely different pack because I want the thing. Y'all ready for tomorrow? The Super Bowl Buccaneers, Tom Brady versus the Chiefs, Patty Mahomes. Oh, I want to see who y'all think is gonna win. I'm rooting for both teams. I'm honestly just a fan of Tom Brady himself. So yeah, I'm just a fan of specific players, man. I always was when mom just doesn't believe me for some damn reason. So yeah. It is what it is, man. Holy shit. Hold on. Okay. We got 2 MVPs. I didn't know that. Holy shit. Okay. Dennis Stumblefield. The end. I want to get to the Leslie O'Neal, defensive end. Okay. Okay, sorry guys, my camera cut out for a little bit. Chris Zorich, defensive tackle. Okay. Jim Kelly, quarterback. Michael Haynes, wide receiver. I don't know why my thing keeps cutting out, man. I hate that it does that. Andre Ritson, wide receiver. Marcus Allen, running back. Glenn Milburn, running back. Okay, this is the first MVP. Okay, so this is usually okay. So I'm seeing the other one. This is usually gold, silver. Sorry, silver. Yeah, this is Marcus Allen. Holy crap! So I mean, I want to assume this is gold, right? This is like goldish. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this card right here so y'all could see it. And I'm gonna show you the comparison when I get to the other one. Henry Thomas, defensive tackle. When I get to the other MVP, I never knew you could get 2 MVPs in one. Rookie class, Eddie George, Houston Oilers running back. Okay. Marcus Allen, season to remember, 100 plus NFL career and 100 plus career NFL touchdown. Sorry. Okay. Lawyer Millow, rookie class. Okay. John Elway. Do y'all see the difference? So Marcus Allen and John Elway. You see the difference? That's pretty cool. I have never gotten one. Alright guys, we're done. I appreciate y'all staying to the end if y'all did. Please guys go check out my TikTok. I'm either gonna have my username or the link down below. Stay tuned for another video because you know I have one more set to go. And remember TikTok, those 3 I'm putting in there. So bam. Please guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications. See y'all next time. Love y'all, man. See y'all. Peace.